Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be doing a Cherries Jubilee cheesecake. We'll be featuring a whipped cream topping with cherries. I've made a ganache, of course, to sprinkle. And we have a Swiss Kirsch flambe. Here's all the stuff. Let's add it. 1 cup pastry flour, 1 cup almond flour, 1 stick of butter. And then, of course, you're going to be knifing it in with your knives, get it cut up. And then, of course, you're going to get to use your fingers in a minute. Get it as good as you can, add a little coffee, make your snowball, put her down on the mat, roll her out, get your spring pan, put it upside down, wipe off the excess, and flip her in. And then, of course, fork the bottom. I pitted all the cherries, and now it's time to puree them up and get them ready for the cheesecake. Now we're going to be putting some amaretto di Serrano on the almond crust. Give it some nice flavor. 4 packages of cream cheese. I got a 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 whole lemon zest, 2 ounces of sugar. You got to keep that clean. And then we're going to be adding the cherries puree. We got 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 2 ounces of maple syrup. And then, of course, try not to over whip it. It's going to happen anyways, and then once it gets down to that point, you're going to start adding the eggs slowly. Then we pour it into the pan 1/4 inch from the top, and then we put it into our preheated oven at 325 for 90 minutes. Turn it off and leave it in there overnight. The next morning, we had some splitting problems, as you can see, but hey, we're going to be covering it up with whipped cream all around the top. Then put some cherries on top. Absolutely pretty. Water, fresh squeezed orange juice, sugar, and cornstarch roux. Cook down and thicken up good, and then add your cherries, and then get them ready to serve. Chocolate ganache, nice slice of cheesecake, your Jubilee. Now we're going to put some Kirsch down and light a match. Hold on. How about some infrared on this? See what happens. Well, that looks very cartoonish. The secret to this dish is when you make your sauce with the orange juice, water, sugar, and cornstarch, is to let that cook down and get thickened up so that when you add your cherries, you're just heating them up and the cherries remain bold and not melted. Cherries Jubilee cheesecake. A treat indeed. Okay, people, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.